to another stunning reversal in the Luigi Mangione case. His lawyers have changed their defense strategy again. So we told you Thursday how the judge revealed that Mangione would claim extreme emotional disturbance at the time he allegedly shot and killed UnitedHealthcare CEO Brian Thompson. But now, court documents reveal his defense team is withdrawing that claim. They object to releasing evidence backing up the psychiatric defense. Mangione has pleaded not guilty. CBS News legal contributor Caroline Polisi is here to explain what this shift all means. Good morning, Caroline. So help us understand what's going on here. Why do you think the defense changed the course again?
Yeah, this is a real bombshell. You don't see it very often, guys. But I think it highlights the tension between the state and federal trials. You don't see this very often. That federal trial is scheduled to go just a month after the state trial. Karen Agnifilo, who's the primary defense attorney for Mangione, we now know had been fighting really hard to keep this evidence sealed. They had actually noted to the court and the prosecution that they were going to pursue this emotional disturbance defense since September, so 9 months. So they've been doing this for 9 months. It was just a shock to us to hear it recently that it had come out. But basically, the judge said, nope, you're going to have to move forward with the disclosure. And Agnifilo said, look, we don't want to box ourselves in to this defense because think about it. It essentially is admitting to the homicidal act. And therefore, in that federal trial, every juror that would walk into that trial to potentially sit on the case would know that he had already admitted to the act itself. And so it's really complicated in terms of fundamental fairness for a defendant. And I think this ruling or this notice shows that tension. I would notice, it's being reported that it's a complete reversal. They've withdrawn the notice for now, for the time, without prejudice. So they could come back potentially with it at a later date.
Well, how does this change, though, the defense's arc in moving forward? I mean, it kind of feels like this is just all over the place at this point.
And the prosecutors, too.
Absolutely. They had been firing on all cylinders. And as a defense attorney, you pursue these multiple prongs of your defense. Up until now, all we've heard about is these evidentiary issues, right? The defense has been fighting hard to keep that evidence out. Those were long shot motions, and ultimately they ended up not working. And so we're going to see that evidence come in at the trial. They're just keeping all their options open.
All right, Caroline, thank you so much.